Good afternoon. This is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EC Department. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Liquid Crystal Display (LCD). So first, what is this liquid crystal display? So liquid crystal display is a flat display screen. It is used in electronic devices such as laptop, computer, TV, cell phones and portable video games. As a name implies, liquid crystal is a material which flows like a liquid and also it shows some properties of a solid. So these LCDs are very thin displays and it consumes very less power when compared to LED, light emitting diode. So next is the molecular arrangement of the liquid crystal. So the molecular structure of liquid crystal is between the solid crystal and liquid isotropic. So in liquid crystal display, pneumatic type of liquid crystal molecular arrangement is used in which molecules are oriented in some degree of alignment. And next is a construction of a liquid crystal display. It consists of two polarized glass pieces. Two electrodes are used. One is a positive and another one is a negative. External potential is applied to the LCD through these electrodes and it is made up of indium tin oxide. Liquid crystal layer of is about 10 micrometer to 20 micrometer is placed between the two glass sheets. The light is passed or blocked by changing the polarization. And next is a working of a liquid crystal display. So the basic working principle of LCD is blocking of a light. It does not produce light on its own. So external light source is used when an external light passes from one polarizer to next polarizer. External supply is given to the liquid crystal. The polarized light aligns itself so the image is produced in the screen. The indium oxide conducting surface is a transparent layer which is placed on both the sides of a sealed thick layer of liquid crystal. When no external bias is applied, the molecular arrangement is not disturbed. So, when the external bias is applied, the molecular alignment arrangement is disturbed, and the area looks dark, and the other area looks clear. So, when an external bias is not applied, the molecular arrangement is not disturbed. So, when an external bias is applied, the molecular arrangement is disturbed and one area will be looking lighter and the other area will one area will looks darker and other area will looks clear. And we have two types of LCDs, positive and negative LCD. In positive LCD display, the segments will be dark and the background will be light and the polarizer are placed perpendicular to each other. Whereas in case of a negative LCD, the display segments are white in the dark background and the polarizers are aligned to each other. So in diagram we can see this positive and negative LCD. First one is a positive LCD. The segments will be dark and the background will be white and the polarizers are perpendicular to each other. And second one is a diagram corresponds to the negative LCD. Here the segments will be light and the background will be dark and the polarizers will be aligned to each other. And next is the advantages of LCD. The first advantage is that it is very thin and it is very compact when compared to this LED. And the power consumption of this LCD is low when compared to this LED. Heat is very less. The heat that is emitted is very less during the operation. And the cost wise, this LCD is very less. So it is very thin, low power consumption and heat emitted is also very less and cost wise is also it is very less. The drawback of this LCD is that the speed of operation is very low and also the lifespan is also very less. The restricted viewing and the third drawback is that there is a restriction in viewing angles. So speed and while considering the factors like speed and lifespan, it has a LCD has a drawback. And next one is the applications. As we all know, this LCD is used in the digital wristwatches, and it is also used for displaying the images in the digital camera. It is used in numerical counters. It is used in signal displaying the screen in the calculators. It is mainly used in televisions. We have a LCD display televisions. It is used in mobile screens. It is used in video players, and it is also used in image sensing circuits. So that's all about the introduction, construction, working principle, advantages, drawback, and applications of LCD. Thank you.